Hi everyone, it's Mrs. K, and today I'm going to show you how to use Jamboard. It's something that you can work on at the same time with students, or create one and then have students add to it on their own schedule. So the easiest way to make one is to go to your Drive and click on New, then click More, and choose Google Jamboard. You can also get to it through the waffle, but I find it's just easier to start in Drive. First thing you might want to do is give your jam a title. The math talk. Okay. And if you want students to be able to work on it, you will have to change the sharing permissions. You can change it to anyone at Milford Public Schools, anyone at Milford Public Schools with a link, and then make sure you change it so they can edit it. Done. Okay. So first thing to look at is the tools on the side. Here's the pen. Lets you draw things. The eraser lets you erase things, unsurprisingly. You could also just clear the frame. The pointer tool is important, and we'll get back to that. The tool you might use a lot is the sticky note. So you could put your math problem here. Show your work in your own sticky note. Save. And now to get out of this, I have to click outside this sticky note dialog box. I can use the pointer to click on the item and make it larger. I can also edit it if I want to change the color, make it transparent. I can duplicate it if I want to do that for some reason. Also, when it's highlighted, I can delete with the backspace key, or you can delete it using the three dots and the menu. So now students would create their own sticky note, write their answer to you. 7 plus 8 equals 15. I counted on my fingers and toes. That's how librarians do math. Okay, save that. And I can move it around. I can make it larger. Another thing I could maybe do is add an image with the button that sometimes we call the mountain in library. Go to Google image search, fingers and toes, press enter. Oh, a nice manicure and pedicure. I wish that's how my fingers and toes looked right now. So my image is loading, and you'll notice that has same kind of features that you can adjust as the sticky note. Maybe I'll move it over so it's not on top of my sticky note. Wow, I guess I picked a really exciting picture. That's taking a long time to load. In the meantime, you can also use a laser pointer, which would be handy while you're working with students. And you can add a background, like this graph background could be great for some math talks. Another thing that you can do is add a frame. If you press this arrow, it makes a new one. So maybe if this frame is all filled up, you can tell students, go to the next frame if there's no more room. Put that over here. Maybe I'll draw an arrow. Wow, my fingers and toes pictures sure has taken a long time to load. The last thing I'd like to show you is right here with these three dots where it says more actions. You can download it as a PDF. You can also save each individual frame as an image. You can remove it completely from your drive, or you can make a copy of it. So let's see, I'm going to save this frame as an image. Now it's going into my downloads. I can look at my whole downloads folder. or I can copy this image to the clipboard if I want to copy and paste it into an email. Okay. One way to get to your downloads, if you don't see a little file icon here, is to click the task launcher, and it should be somewhere visible. If it's not, you can also type in files and it should come up, and you will be able to see all your downloads. So that is how to use Jamboard. Please let me know if you have any questions or share some ways that you're using this tool with students. Thanks for watching.